Hello friends, if you are facing the biggest question related to your career that what it is after 12, as each one has this question along with their parents what to do ahead for getting best career option. Then I am Miss Misbayub Bhagwan from Department of Electronics will answer this question for you. Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science, Satara's Autonomous Institute. Department of Electronics BSc in Electronic Program. Let's first we see why we want to get a graduation in electronics. Learn to well qualified and academic experts. Skill courses are provided for every year. Diploma programs are offered for every year. Capsule, value-added, add-on courses are offered for every year. Industries experts provided for guest lecture. Institute has own Center of Invention, Innovation, Incubation that is CIII. Laboratories are equipped with advanced equipments. Hostel facilities will provided to boys and girls. Let's see my department. Welcome to the Department of Electronics. Department was established in 1986. Vision of my department is to contribute to the society through excellence in education and research in the field of electronics. And mission of my department is to impart technical education in electronics to rural students. To be the department with highly qualified and dedicated faculty. To provide consultancy services to the public and private sector. BSc Electronics is a 3-year program. The syllabus of this program is taught by semester pattern and choice-based credit system scheme is used. The department has skill enhancement courses. The feature of this course is that it changes every year. For the current years, BSc 1 has mobile repairing and software installation. BSc 2 has home appliances installation and maintenance. BSc 3 has audio video recording and editing. Its intake capacity is 74, 121 and 37 respectively. Apart from this, diploma course, capsule course, value-added course and add-on courses are also taken for the student of each year. These courses are a bridge between academic education and industrial education. The department faculty has good academic qualification and teaches a total of 11 faculty members. 2 PhDs, 7 sets net qualified and 2 postgraduates. All of them are known as educational experts in the field of education. The total area of department is 327.51 square meter and there are 3 smart laboratories and 2 general laboratories. All the students of department have free Wi-Fi policy. The total number of computers are 80. There in 8 Mbps lease line for internet, the students have free internet facility. In addition, the department has e-content development facilities like media center, audio video center, etc. The department library has 65 books and more than 200 e-books. Project CDs are 150 and technical CDs are 100. You can see a list of department's abundant educational instrument and software. Project and field project are done for the overall development of students. You can see a list of some of the companies that the department has created MOUs to provide industrial work experience and placement to the students. BSc Electronics is 99.9% job guaranteed. My senior friends are working in the broadcasting, entertainment, research, and development sectors today. Some friends work in multinational companies like Intel, Havel, etc. and get packages worth millions of rupees per year. In the list, you can see job profile. For more information, visit the website http://ycis.ac.in.
So, friends, to join this program to enhance your skill and unlock career opportunities.